7 December kwa to Santin say ya kwa to about the Dr. Bawumia NPP. This crop of leaders
Busiyama okaba biem Fambra Ghana and Sem TV so diam jiso any promise.
7 December kwa to Santin say ya kwa to about the Dr. Bawumia NPP. This crop of leadership people we say and na Ghana for pa na sabe na ye moa ye kan so to say nwan because no reasonable human being and what Ghana has say ya or this me yes sorry ya or beka say adia Ghana for from 8 years no okoto aba e de ma Dr. Bawumia okoto aba e de ma Canada Japan e de na we yagimifo e come
we are when say asama woreka no e ye duru sen wa no asama na nko we num so for so aka jiminti ekurase constituency chairman bi a kire we di wa kire $500 nti adwuma na o kire o se ye na no ana ore ye ba wan kasa mu no woni pedue mu ne wunyansa na wadwene mu de woni se asama woreka na ye jimisem but woreka we are when say o kasa we ni majimi obi a ne IQ ye adwuma ne owo intelligent bia be say asama wo kan wie wa we ni majimi we ni ma ye gbama we ni ma ye dwuma wan kasa udin yu no bu ho fo but o for so aka between NPP NDC wo mu emu hina krampo na obi to aba ma wo mu ba kwa ebeka se nipa wo wagimi nti na wo to aba ma wo friend den party A na party B wanka se mu ne kanabua ade ba kwa ye me ya wo ho se mu beka sa mu ntimi m kire se we nti no wo to aba ma NPP ni Dr. Bawumia wagimi sadwe NDC ye ma Ghana nti na se ye to aba ma NDC oba be kasa trasa to keke na weja wa akọ JJ Rollins say be di Ghana so 19 good years me pacha wo kire me policy ba kwa JJ Rollins say de bre Ghana for ba ko pe only one me pe two JJ Rollins say rule Ghana for 19 good one of the most useless president ayenya wo Ghana JJ Rollins useless upon useless o waste your money time keke JJ Rollins amembu nyansa bi anim JJ Rollins say rule Ghana for 19 good years. Na national ambulance ba kokra ni yeni bi. Na Ghana yeni ma dia ye friend ambulance. Utie nyansa wa ha. Wo ni pe bi yare na se wo de no koto hospital. Anase ye say transfer from one hospital to another hospital. Se mo ebusuan mu ni ka ade mo ko rent car, mo ko fa taxi. O yare fo na mo de na to taxi mu na mo de ne ko fa kwa ye se mo de ne ko. Je Kufuor da Roma. Kufuor ba ya ban mu. Within 8 years, and send a be set up ambulance services, national ambulance services. Now, we Jiminti Abeka Chemi se meto maba my NPP, me mo me Kwasia, men na wo hwan na Kwasia. Kufuor ba ben man sa na Kufuor be te Ghana ni be bue Ghana ni peja Ghana efi ateche mo esi baby kakra. JJ Rollins was friend then 8 years of rule and 19 years of ruling no kire me nyansa de ba ko pa JJ Rollins ye ma Ghana hwe menfa bibi menka bibi kire mo wa ha senye NPP adawro ma na be rewre ma wo ho anka by now Ghana eka aman na still awo want tete kwate bie mu no anka Ghana ka ho nkurase man na won develop da na anka Ghana ka ho utie nyansa na me ka kire wo no wanka say mu no hwe JJ Rollins 19 good years fa be compare Kufuor 8 years na shade JJ Rollins 19 years of ruling na ye ni government buses e wo Ghana Kufuor by within 8 years na Kufuor e the buses abegum region bia town bia e wo national buses won say Tony Jonas na America ye every 1 minute bia ban bus na ban bus na Kufuor be ye bi wo Ghana mankasa mu NDC fu na ebegu no aya mo kasa ase nsu gina mo team ase mo ndwene ansana makasa Kufuor bae no upon akwan ahoro a Kufuor beyiyi impuntundwuma ahoro a Kufuor ebeye nyina no obae pe na obeye wo friend den basic education Kufuor beye ni free ma Ghana fu nyina Kufuor beye health insurance ma Ghana fu nyina free maternal care ma Ghana fu nyina Kufuor na be introduce community police Zoom Lion Kufuor beye niama bebre ma Ghana enti sanka nipa dasani woti ani tinesi ni ti so no adwene ne nyansa wo ma anka wo je di se NDC krampa anka ye bese akofa aba biem se Ghana fu nim nyansa Sanya ma listing nyina akufo beye ma Ghana fu nyina no Ghana fu jimi a yesan to abati a NPP aban a yesan kofa NDC ban e no mo be destroy ni nyina omo be collapse ni nyina basis ahuru akufo e de ba ya na ebo atimai mo fu nyina NDC e be collapse ni nyina health insurance o be collapse no enne se open for be call hospital na ye free no say ni nyina e collapse na wo ye Kwasia na se wo ye nipa wejimi enti me na wo hwan nyoto aba ma NPP ne nyoto aba ma NDC hina na ye Kwasia hina na ejimi me de part 2 beto aso
they say a kind of cry. I can tell you say Onua TV station honom say nyansafo e wo honom no me kan they will not be up to 5. Now the reason why in here make us asem no am in church na won tie ase almost a lady na or wo Onua honom na obeka JB and Captain Smart mo jimi no wa kire say ne de bi e ka say jimifo a mo Onua TV na do so no say na e no kre na ye ka na nye ntro na ye di. How do you think say when it comes to governance the NDC is better than the NPP? Like how do you think? Because what doing NDC is soon a year and you are comparing the governance of the NPP and the NDC, you would know say the NDC is no near the NPP when it comes to governance. Now let me take you back to history, right? Atamels and Mahama became president for 8 years. Rawlings became a military ruler for 11 years, president for 8 years, making it 19 good years. There is no one single social intervention. This political party, Modi Ghana so, Bakudi 19, Ebedi 8, Awe Samba. Modi Ghana so, calculate here, almost 28 years. 28 good years. There is no one single social intervention on Modiaba. And you think that political party is better than the NPP or this social intervention to say free dialysis, free healthcare, health insurance, free senior high school, F-Cube, or these are programs when in Aba. Amatimamufo, Bibia will be you are telling me that the National Demonic Congress, NDC, only one social intervention or the Ababe Ghana minor. Oh, Shemenima Kacho me say that political party is better than the NPP. It's either there is something wrong with the way you think and the way you do your stuffs. Because if you are very wise, you didn't even think of saying those things. I'm telling you the honest truth. So when you're wiser, it will never come into your mind. So because it is only when you are not wise that is when you make those kind of mistakes. Now let me tell you, this lady, I think Onua TV no say omo forward memo hono mo a omo enche da enhwehwe wa adwen mu ansa no my den omo forward memo wo de wo CV no beto hono mo hu say wagimi a obetime di atem na omo employer. And that's the reason why people like this have the privilege to sit on national TV and talk bullshit into the camera, mislead people because of what they are going to gain. They don't think about the people or more anymore and the consequences that is going to cause from what they are saying. They don't think about all those stuffs, and that is where the problem is. That is where the problem is. So I'm just hoping that Ghanaians would actually see the difference between the NPP and the NDC and always make sure they vote for the new patriotic party, because no way no it's not baby papa editing high Ghana and same TV. I promise. That's